Hi, my name is Drashti Mehta and I am currently doing my internship at the Spark Foundation in the Data Science and the Business Analytics. So, our first task was prediction using supervised machine learning. The problem statement was to predict the percentage of the marks of the student based on the number of hours they studied. What will be the predicted score if a student studies for 9.2 hours per day? So, let's begin. Our first step was importing necessary libraries that are required. Pandas as PD, NumPy as NP, Matplotlib as PLT, Seaborn as CNS, importing test split, linear regression, mean absolute error from the scikit-learn model selection, scikit-learn linear model and scikit-learn metrics. Now our second step was importing dataset using CSV file. Here 10 shows the initial 10 rows of the data. Now we're going to check whether there is any null value in the dataset or not. So there is no null value in the dataset. So we can now visualize our data. Here we have used a scatter plot to show the correlation between the marks percentage and our studies. Let's plot a regression line to confirm the correlation. You can see here a regression line that is representing a correlation between marks obtained and the hours studied. Here we can see that the data is positively correlated. As you can see, the line is in an increasing manner, so our data is positively correlated. Now we are going to train our model. So that includes two steps: splitting the data and fitting the data into the model. Now in a splitting the data, we are defining our x and y from the data value using an ilog function. Now splitting the data into two, that is xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. Now fitting the data into the model. We have used here linear regression as a function, so our model is trained successfully. Now we are here making prediction. So here is our x test and y test. Testing the data in hours and testing the data in percentage score. So here we are printing our x test and y test. Now comparing the predicted marks with the actual marks. We have used here compare score variables to compare the predicted marks and with the actual marks. So here is our actual marks and here is our predicted marks. Now we are visually comparing our predicted marks and the actual marks. So you can see here a graph of actual versus predicted marks. Now we are evaluating our model, calculating the accuracy of the model that includes mean absolute error, as we have seen earlier, that is imported from the scikit-learn library. So our mean absolute error is 4.13 approx. Small value of mean absolute error states that the chances of the error or a wrong forecasting to the model are very less. What will be the predicted score of a student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day? So our main problem statement was to find if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day. As our hours are 9.25, so our predicted score is 9.3.89 approx. So if a student will study for 9.2 hours per day, then a predicted percentage will be 93.89 approx. I hope this helps and thank you. Have a nice day.